Thank you guys for tuning in. This is a new video coming out here.
A little bit of a new idea today. We're on the river going for smallmouth bass, but we hope you guys enjoy.
Oh yeah, the water's nice. Oh, there's some fish. Watch me catch them on this. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that. He just hit.
All right, they're all stacked up in there. All right, guys, watch this. Hold on. We're gonna give this spot a couple more casts, and then we're gonna move up. Oh, I just got him. Do I have him? Yep. Oh, I got a good one. Oh yeah, no, it's a nice one though. Look at that. Here we go, guys, look at that. Nice smallie here. Oh, we're gonna have to bend over and get him. Oh, okay, he beached himself. There we go. And he unhooked himself too. There we go, guys. He got it. There we go. Oh, what a good fish, guys. There we go. Man, these fish are just unhooking themselves. Sorry for the audio. These fish are just unhooking themselves for me. I think I just saw one. I'm gonna give that a cast right there. Oh, that was epic. There we go, super small one. Man, they are aggressive for sure, and he's gone.
There we go, we got one. Oh my God, that was a big fish. Oh my God. He screeched my reel there. Yo, Mikey, can you try to get a nice cast? I'm trying to get a cinematic shot of you, okay? That's gonna go in the video, you know.
There we go. Another small guy.
Oh, there's a carp right there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but I can certainly see him. He's hanging out right by my rod tip there. Oh, got one. Oh, it's a little guy. Oh, it's a little guy. All right, there he is, guys. Just a nice little guy. Would have been a nice size for ultralight, but. All right, guys, so while I'm here enjoying the scenery and everything, I just wanted to take a minute to tell you guys where we've been. So we've both been really busy, and the water level, as you probably heard me mention, is really low right now. As many of you guys probably know, we live in Illinois, and in Illinois, there's a pretty big drought going on, at least in the Chicago area, and we're in the Chicago area. So that's why we haven't really been uploading, because we mainly fish ponds and lakes and not really rivers that much. And the ponds and the lakes are pretty dry right now. Thankfully, they're not too dry so that the fish are dying, but there are definitely some noticeable effects, like our one really good pond that we go to that I caught my PB, like in my first video. That pond is really shallow right now, so we're trying not to pressure it too much to let the fish, you know, recover. But there should be rain coming around tomorrow night, which is nice. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I just really appreciate the support from you guys. I just wanted to also mention we did break 100 subscribers recently, which is awesome. I appreciate that so much. We're at 110 right now. The support has just been overwhelming, and it really means a lot to us, so I just wanted to thank you guys for that. And I hope you guys are looking forward to more uploads, because that's what we're going to be doing. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a nice one. Come on, come on. Good head shakes. No! All right, easy release, that's fine.
Oh, I got one. I don't know if that was him.
If you lip them and hold them up slightly while you try to get the hook out, they don't move as much.
He looked at it again. Oh, I almost had one right there. Got him. There we go. What did I tell you guys? Look how easy that was. There we go, guys. He's there again. He wants it. Dude, he wants it. I'm just going to keep dragging past him. Gotta take it. Gotta take it. Oh. He knows it's coming. He wants it, dude. Take it. Yes! There we go. On the oh.
Oh, he's a hungry little fella. See if we can get him. I got him. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. All right, in the net. Not messing around that time. All right, guys, there he is. Tiny little guy. He's a little bloodied up, but he's all good. Whoa. Strong swim away.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys really enjoyed the video.
Subscribe and hit that bell for more fishing content.